Hello and welcome to another blind bag unboxing toy unboxing. Today's Disney theme, and as you can see, I'm blue with Stitch and put some things over there. So yeah, all Disney, but we have some special Lilo and Stitch ones, and a lot of Disney princesses. So all Disney. Okay, first, I'm gonna start with the plushies. So these are called Snugglets, and they're like plushies on the keychain, which I'm most excited about, and I really hope you can get a Dumbo, Snow White, Cinderella, Thumper from Bambi, the Genie, Winnie the Pooh, Sully, Mary, and Stitch. Of course, I want a Stitch. Oh, also they're sleeping, but I also like a Sully one because I don't have a lot of Monster Inc. Merch. And that kind of merch isn't like highly available like the other Disney Princess and Lilo and Stitch stuff is very popular in my country. You see that like cheap discount stores. First we have Cinderella. See the keychain? Really cute. Next, Winnie the Pooh. Oh, it's so sweet. Two more left. And it's Snow White. Wow. Highly detailed dress. Last one, last one. Sully or Stitch? Okay, kind of hope Sully though. I think, it's Thumper from Bambi. Always cute. Alright, so here we have Disney Lilo and Stitch, and we there's like one hidden here. So oh, it's a golden one. Golden Stitch. Didn't have that one. Yeah, that's the only Lilo and Stitch within this four. But we have some balls. Let me see. Oh, there also these kind of figures are in the balls. And with some stickers you can put on the ball as decoration. Maybe in a Christmas tree. I don't know when I will be uploading this, but it's around Christmas currently. I have the tree up. So maybe this can make like a ball for the Christmas tree. It will be really cute. Let's see what's in it. Oh, they really have like these things for like the ears. It's Angel. How pretty. Yeah, they have like ears and stickers. Oh my god, it's gonna hang in my Christmas tree. And I will put the stickers on later, and this is really cool. So I bought two blue ones and three pink ones, and I see three blue ones. So hopefully I get some difference. Because, yeah, on the packaging says it's gonna have difference. See, like a Lilo or like a golden. Hey, I already have this one. It's right up here somewhere. So cute. The last pink one. And it's not an angel. So adorable. Okay, blue one. You really see the quality difference. These were more expensive, of course. So, and the blue one come with ears and stickers too. Also, be fun like a gift, like put some candy in it. I already sent it out all my Christmas cards and boxes with gifts and stuff because it's almost Christmas. So, but I'm sure this will be uploaded in like the new year, 2024. It's a golden stitch again. If you now look at these two, are like exactly the same. Ooh, already the last, the Lilo and Stitch too. Going fast. I just identify with Stitch so much personally. Ah, hey, it's gold. Another, I want to say another golden, but it's with like these. So exciting. Okay, now we have, all we have are like, wait. No, I got two more Bobs and Tops with like classic animals before we go on the Christmas, the Disney princess. Just my whole head is Christmas, Christmas, Christmas all week, you know. All I see and all I think of. Been baking cookies. Why does it feel like this one is stuck? Is it Thumper from Bambi? Yes, but the golden one. They say it's scented, but it smells like plastic, like not a nice scent. Like those new plastic toys. Ooh, it's ooh. Oh, this one smells like lemon soap. Really, it's from Lion King and it's yellow. Oh, it just looks so chewy, like candy gummy. And I'm not gonna eat it, but oh, this one smells really nice. Yeah, like lemon dish soap. Mm, mm, yes, yes. Good stuff. Good smell. Okay, now we have one of these with Aurora and Snow White. And in this one is yellow. Belle. No, this one doesn't have the same. So pretty, pretty. Now we have four of these, and I see three of these, but I Disney princesses. I thought I bought four. Let me look. Okay, and now I see three. So if I close the video and come back, I will edit it in. Where does my... I don't know. Ooh, see gold. Moana. Another golden one. No, I just saw the hair. Aurora, so I can... And now I have this one double. One is a bob and top for like pencils, and this one is with like a stamp, so It's a golden Snow White. Ooh, I still smell. It's golden. Belle. Okay. So, oh, here are figures. I see not only princesses, but also a prince and a dwarf from Snow White and a raccoon from I think Mulan. That's raccoon. Oh, I think Pocahontas and the mouse from Cinderella. So that's fun. Obviously, let's open. Ooh, it's a box. Hmm. Oh, still blind deck. Let me see. I think it's Cinderella, but just because of the color. Let's see. It is Cinderella, but in a pink dress. I don't know if it's the second movie or the third, or does she come with it in the original? Yeah, when she makes her own dress. Isn't it like this? I always like it when the classic figures have with like the other colors, because I've all so many figures and stuff with the blue dress, and yeah, it's nice for change. Hey, does it have like, yeah, another color? This is a whole different one. I didn't even notice when buying. It was like at the store was going out of business, so they were really cheap. This has a more yellowish color, this bluish. So here are different, so different dwarf, different prince, different outfits for the princess and the beast from Belle and the Beast. So this are it's a whole nother one. If I noticed it, I just saw it. I was like, oh, these are so cheap up. I would have looked more into it, but store's closed now forever. Really sad because I got a lot of blind decks from that store. Like 2 stores, I mostly buy them. Just this is easier. So wow, it's see-through, really pinkish light. I'm wondering what princess comes with it. Maybe Aurora, she's like a classic style, or another pink Cinderella. No, it's Pocahontas in a dress. You don't see that much. But did I saw some stickers too? Oh, you can put this as a bag in the plastic. Did I saw a sticker or no? Just the book. Oh, this one has that too here, the pumpkin. That's I love those cute little display stuff. I really hope I have a 4th one. I know myself. I mostly buy like even pairs. It was a long time ago, so maybe only 3 were left. So yeah. Ooh, this one is golden. Maybe Princess Belle. She is a lot of golden. She's like fancy like that. Belle even on this one, yes. Even the beast is in this. It's Aurora, yes, right? Yes. Pretty. Guns background that she a boat. Is there a boat in? And I guess this looks me like something from like Jasmine. Wait! She has the corset. I think it's yeah, from Tangled. It's Rapunzel. Let me see. Yes, it's Rapunzel. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. It's just I'm not used to seeing Rapunzel with like a crown. So My immediate thought were like Aurora, but it's Rapunzel. So, maybe there will be another one edited in, maybe not, or I'm gonna just skip this. So yeah, I found the fourth one. I knew it had to be another one. Ooh, an orange. These are not getting doubled. I wonder if it could be an orange one. Princess Diana in blue. How beautiful and on theme. But thank you for watching and having Stitch here with me. And yes, I really enjoyed it. There's another one in the making, Monster High blind bags actually. And this was all Disney themed, so I wanted these all together once. So thank you for watching. Bye.